The crane is trying to lower the bucket. It cannot handle the load and the back of the crane lifts up. This moment highlights how dangerous heavy machinery accidents can be. Workplace safety and accident prevention should always be a priority. The rope on the crane lifting the ship slips. The ship falls to the ground. Such sudden accidents pose serious risks. It is essential to always follow safety measures. A person is trying to unload a forklift from a truck. Just as he's about to finish, the forklift tips over. Luckily, the operator is unharmed. These kinds of accidents are examples of workplace accidents and epic fails. It is crucial to always stay alert and follow safety measures. A large machine part suddenly falls to the ground in the factory. A nearby worker narrowly escapes and saves himself. These incidents show how important workplace safety really is. What would you do in this situation? Share your answers in the comments. In the factory, heavy equipment falls while being lowered onto a truck. Workers are standing very close to the load. This moment could have caused a serious workplace accident. The forklift was moving a heavy load from the truck to the warehouse. The load became unstable and the forklift tipped over. As it fell, the forklift collided with the truck. Such accidents can create major dangers in just seconds at the workplace. Fortunately, the forklift driver was not injured. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.